Hope all of you are very fine. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, then subscribe and hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this. Number 10. San Kal Kapimi. Ada is a bright, beautiful young woman working at a florist. She dreams of getting her degree and moving to Italy, but her dreams are shattered when the heir to the Bolat Holding Company cancels her scholarship, so she has to drop out of university. Now only two things keep her going: her love of plants and her hatred of Sarkan Bolat. When Sarkan comes to speak at the university, Ada is protesting outside. A series of unfortunate events leaves these two handcuffed together for most of the day. During when Ada learns that Sarkar really is everything she hates, arrogant, self-centered, and a complete control freak. For his part, Sarkar could not care less, but when the media is mistakenly linked the two, he hatches a plan to use Ada to get back at the ex-girlfriend who dumped him and is now engaged to another man. Number 9. Mariam. You can live with secrets but never by lies. It is a story of three people whose lives were changed by a tragic accident forever. An innocent young woman, Mariam, a cynical prosecutor, Oktay, and vengeful man, Savash. On a rainy night, Mariam and Oktay hit a woman with their car, not knowing, killing Savash's wife and her unborn child. Even though Oktay was behind the wheel, Mariam takes responsibility for the crime to help him protect his reputation as a prosecutor. However, Oktay gets appointed to the very same lawsuit of which Mariam is the defendant. Now he has a chance to get rid of both her and the crime he committed. It is the ultimate conflict of interest because what comes first for Mariam is Oktay. On the other hand, Oktay is purely in this for himself. What comes first for Savash is vengeance for his wife's murder. The only thing that will separate the innocent from the guilty and the truth from the lie is love. However, it will grow from hate this time. Number 8. Harjai. Ryan is the granddaughter of Saddolu family, one of the strongest families in Midyat. Although her father Hazar and her uncle Jihan are important figures in the grand family, the real leader is her grandfather Nasu. Nasu has been mistreating Ryan. He was always more considerate of her cousin Yaren. The reason of is that Ryan is not his biological granddaughter. Being unaware of this fact, Rayan goes riding, and when Miran's car approaches, the horse gets scared, so Rayan falls down. Miran falls in love with Rayan and he would like to marry her. This news enables Yaren to take revenge on Rayan since she takes away Yaren's beloved one. After marriage takes place, Miran and Rayan go to their mansion to begin their new life. However, Miran ends the relationship after spending the first night with Rayan. The reason behind is that Rayan's father had killed Miran's mother and father many years ago, so Miran was brought up by his grandmother to take revenge for the deaths. Number 7. Haryarde Singh. Celine is an ambitious and hard-working young woman who sees the pieces of her life falling into place when she finds the perfect little house to buy as her first property. Demir has already made a success of his career but is looking to move back to some house comfort after several years of traveling abroad, so he decides to buy the house he grew up in. Unfortunately, though each believes they have found somewhere to call home, it turns out that they each own only half of the property, having brought from a family already at war over the house, as if suddenly sharing the house with an unwelcome stranger were not enough. When Celine gets to work, she finds out that her company has been taken over by a new investor, Demir. With the two not able to avoid each other in their private and professional lives, there is something else that they can't avoid: the inevitable chemistry that builds between the passionate, handsome young businessman and the pretty, creative, and talented architect. Number 6. Kalp Atishi. Even though the world is a terrible place, there are always people who prove that the good people will ultimately win. Elul is a successful neurosurgeon who is brave enough to stand up to vulgar patients taking down on her for being a female doctor and asking for a male doctor instead. 12 years ago, when Elul was still young, very young, her life changed significantly. Her mother committed suicide. She was then raised by her father and her mean stepmother. She changed schools several times, and her father, not wanting to deal with a rebellious young girl anymore, finally sent her to her grandmother in Marmaris, who runs a small hostel. Ali Asaf is an outstanding 30-year-old teacher working at Marmaris High School for girls, even though it is still a mystery as to why he left Istanbul when he was a successful doctor to become a teacher at Marmaris. There is one thing that's true about him. He is the one who saved Elul from ruining her own life, and he is the reason for her to becoming a successful neurosurgeon. While all those things happen, in a twist of fate, he falls in love with her. Number 5. Yargi. While she was still in law school, Jaylan's father was framed for a crime he did not commit. There is the law and then there is justice, and ever since her father was sent to prison, Jaylan knows which side she is on. Jaylan becomes a defense attorney and is known as a brave, dynamic, and reckless advocate, respected by her peers but constantly in trouble with prosecutors and the police. Ilgaz is a no nonsense prosecutor who does everything by the book. His father is the well respected chief of homicide of the Istanbul Police Department, and it's from him that Ilgaz gets his incorruptible sense of right and wrong. For him, the law and justice are the same thing. So when Jilan comes to him looking for back channel info to help clear a client, Ilgaz throw her out of his office. But after his brother is accused of murder, it's Jilan he goes to for help. Number 4. Baht Oyun. Ada is a young girl who believes that if she is abandoned by her first love, she will be unhappy forever like the women of her maternal side. While trying to escape the fate of her family, Ada falls in love with Ruzgar, a student from Albania at the same university who is threatened with deportation. Believing that Ruzgar is her first love, Ada proposing him and they have a fake marriage to prevent his deportation. She believes that Ruzgar will literally propose to her on the third anniversary of their fake marriage, and then their real marriage adventure will finally begin. But unfortunately, all the dreams and hopes of Ada will be ruined when she is abandoned by Ruzgar on their third wedding anniversary. Number 3. Kara Dei. The Kara family's life is turned upside down because of a wrongful accusation that results in the imprisonment of Nazif Kara for a murder he did not commit. Number 2. Marashli. Marashli is an ex-soldier who has left the special forces to open up a second-hand bookstore and spend more time with his sick daughter Zelish. His life changes when the beautiful Mahur Turul walks into his bookstore. Mahur's life is saved by Marashli that day when she accidentally gets herself into trouble. From now on, the destiny of the two characters will be interwoven irrevocably. Mahur is the precious daughter of Aziz Turul, one of the most powerful businessmen in Turkey. She gets into trouble because of a photo she takes that day that puts her life in constant danger. But her fearless persona is almost impossible to contain, at least by anyone other than Marashli, who is now employed as Mahur's grand bodyguard. Number 1. Hadutsu Sevda. Hadutsu Sevda is the story of Halil Ibrahim Karasu, who returns to the Black Sea village of his birth. Halil was forced to flee when he was just 5 years old after his father was murdered by the local crime boss Rizwan Lito. 20 years later, Halil came home to marry his childhood sweetheart Yasamin. But when Rizwan's son murders Yasmin, his mission takes on a whole new direction. Halil becomes a one-man army with the sole purpose of destroying Rizwan Lito. Halil gains some unexpected allies as he works his way through Rizwan's criminal operations, including Rizwan's daughter Zainab. Zainab wants to move on from the illegitimate life, and once she learns the truth about what her family did to Halil, She has no choice but to help him. Zainab's schoolgirl crush on Halil is soon rekindled, and before long she falls madly in love with her father's enemy. And there is nothing more dangerous than a Black Sea woman in love. If you like our video, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this.